They sing for the best. My reputation's never been worse, so you must like me for me. Dive bar on the east side, where you at?
Hey sisters.
Can you get out? It's gonna be a reveal. Hi guys, today we have a very special guest. Come on up!
Help me, I'm being held hostage.
This is Maddie, she's my roommate. We just did a video where
I did her makeup, how I would do my makeup.
I'm going to do makeup on Maddie the way I usually do my makeup.
Also, if you haven't come from my channel and you're just watching Coco, that's fine, but I just want to explain that yes, I did bleach my eyebrows, and yes, I am mentally unstable. Okay, now that that's out of the way, I'm your muse. Now
So
Coco's
this is professional.
successfully out of the frame.
Isn't it fucking weird?
It's so weird. Tabby just straight up just going in. Sorry for my skin, it probably feels gross.
No, it doesn't. Can you close your mouth?
I want to taste it. I'm so ticklish.
Bitch!
I'm trying! I'm really ticklish. The sides of my face are so ticklish.
Okay. Can you just do this? Fuck! You're the worst.
Tickles so much, like right here.
Give me your foundation.
Funny story about that. So you just kind of have to scrape it out.
And it doesn't match your skin.
And it doesn't, it's too dark.
Yellow skin.
I'm
Yellow
gonna-
face.
I'm gonna do
Yeah.
yellow face today. This is how I live every day. This is how I do my makeup.
This is white. I'm adding some.
Because I'm white. If you don't know, fun fact.
I add oil in my foundation.
Oil.
Oil.
My skin is already so greasy. I'm worried. I'm shook. It's fine. Nothing. I trust you.
Oh, what do you think of this?
You know, you're a 10, I'm a 2.
You.
What do we think of what?
My makeup. Your makeup on me.
I like it because I did it. I think it looks great.
Okay, cool. So I usually start at the middle of my face. It's actually not bad. I did such a great job.
What, the
adding
color?
that white. Yeah. It's still very yellow. I feel like Milani.
The undertone is not. Yeah.
Do you think you're neutral or warm?
The guy at Sephora told me I had like red undertones. Like you either have red or yellow. Or you're neutral. Well, okay. I don't know.
So this is how Maddie was doing my makeup.
I had a lot of aggression. I need to take out. Literally beating your face. I'm about to beat this bitch up. Also, my skin is so bad right now. So
Can you stop talking?
Fuck!
Good. Stay like that. Close your eyes.
You put foundation on your eyelids?
Of course.
I guess because I do my eyeshadow first. I look even crazier with these eyebrows and the foundation. I look like what? An alien. I wish.
He
Look like Hannibal Lecter.
looks better than you.
Big fuck you.
Bitch!
I'm trying, but it tickles.
You look so yellow, haha.
This is truly
Okay, whatever, I'm giving up.
transformation
I
of
hate
me
this.
into Coco. Just full on yellow face. This is highlight?
Yeah.
I never contour. Can't relate. I feel like an avatar. Like a blue person, not like an airbender.
Don't move.
I'm trying so hard. It tickles so much. Fuck.
And then what I do under here is I do that. And then I do this. Can I see?
This is so much.
I know. And then I do this because I don't have a nose bridge. Or blush.
I think, and then you just leave it like this. And you're ready to go.
That's lip balm.
Is it Carmex?
Mm-hmm. You can use
I
Carmex.
hate Carmex. I'll use it. I'll suffer. Burns my lips.
So what I do now is usually I go in with this before I blend and shit. Do you want to blend it?
No.
Fuck, okay. But then you're like,
This
I'm
is your
ticklish.
fucking-
Blah, 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 blah.
I am ticklish. I'm not lying. But this is
So I do the
you
white
do my
stuff
makeup.
first, and then I do the temples. I know we're supposed to like dab and whatever, but I don't care.
Sometimes
drag.
sometimes I white. Especially if I'm in a hurry. I'm like, I don't give a fuck.
Oh, I'm so fucking tired. My hands.
You wanted this. Ooh, my teeth. Yikes, that was gross.
And then last is the blush.
It's a jackhammer on my face.
That's cute.
Why are you holding my hand? Ugh.
So
Could we
after
really try
that-
to shoot her shot out here.
I go in with a highlighter.
I thought you already did highlight.
Well, this has actual glitter in it. And I
Ooh,
just blend
shit.
that out a little bit. And then this is where I fucking bake.
Oh my god, I never bake, so this is like
Yeah. it's gonna be
insanity
interesting.
to me. Like, wow, this is someone who actually knows how to do makeup, unlike
I'm
me.
using the flat part. You
Why?
should replace your sponge.
Why?
So this is what I do.
Don't be mean.
Can you face that way?
You won't answer my question. Why should I replace
Because
my
it's
sponge?
gross.
Fair.
Face that way.
So I'm
Okay,
like,
so
I'll
I
replace it.
do this to like her lips. Like I create a line. And also this is not really blended very well, so I'm gonna blend that right now.
I look like a drag queen.
And then,
Yas, hunty.
and then,
like Benedict Cumberbatch.
and then I use the powder to like create a line for my eyeshadow. Stop moving your fucking face!
I'm sorry, I just look fucking insane.
So now I do eyeshadow.
Wow. This makeup has aged me at least 40 years.
I've been living for this look.
It just feels like it's literally just all over my eye.
Yeah, well, we have different eye shapes.
Yeah,
so-
I know. I feel like my eyelids are smaller than yours.
Totally. I thought you would
Yeah.
have more lid space, you know?
Yeah, no, you definitely do.
What the fuck?
You look like a fucking alien.
And then I just blend out the...
Take me to your leader.
I'm just gonna mix those two.
E.T. phone hole.
It's like anything red and shiny. I'm gonna press it into the middle. Just take a lighter shade and then go in here.
There is so much powder on my face right now.
I literally love
like
it.
there's so much, I can feel it.
And then I'm gonna define the edge again. Close your eyes. You see how like this looks a little muddy and fucked up? I'm gonna clean that with this. I just dust all of that off. Can you open your eyes? Oh shit, sorry. Don't cry.
I'm trying. Coco just straight up stabbed me in the eye with that brush. Contour? Bitch, we already did that.
No,
you do
we-
it again?
Yeah. Do that. And then I drag it up. Use a darker shade to contour here.
I look like a who down in Whoville.
Who's a who?
Me. You know? The
No.
Who's? From the Grinch. Oh my god. This is what happens when we let illegals into our country.
You gotta snatch that bitch. Then blend into the eyebrows. I know, I'm not even done my base yet. I love my life. And then I just do that.
This is so much.
I know.
How do you do this?
I do this.
all the time. I feel so insecure about my makeup routine now. I literally just throw colors on my face and walk out the door.
And then after that, what do I do
looking
after
like
that?
a mess.
I do my eyebrows.
Good luck, bitch.
Fuck my life. Okay, you need to look at me. Cause like your brows are so thick.
Like the hair,
Mhm.
yeah, it's really, really thick.
Fuck, powder got all over this bitch.
I don't know what you expected.
Your brows are too thin. I'm gonna make them my brows.
At least I look less crazy now with something on my brows.
Look at me. Look at me.
I'm decapitated now.
Shit.
That's a good sign.
No, I'm using powder. I get that.
Me always doing my eyebrows.
Okay, so your brows look fucked, cause mine usually are. Take this beauty blender and stamp out the middle, so it's not as fucked up.
This doesn't look that bad.
Why isn't it taking?
I think probably because it's so thick. I always use powder on my brows.
Well, I'm not gonna, cause I
It's
don't use
fine.
powder on my brows. So it's gonna look like that, And then
It'd be like that sometimes.
you ruined it.
Me?
You blink. Okay.
My eyes are closed.
Ah, you just moved again.
My eyes?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Open. Close.
The wing feels so big.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay, don't open. It needs to dry. I do this, but like it doesn't show up as noticeable. Like it's so cute. Oh my gosh. That's blush, and then I'm just gonna put a little there and a little there. I love my star stamps. Look at me face.
I feel like a deer in the headlights vlog. This is cute as fuck, honestly. These stamps are real cute.
I know.
Honestly.
I'm gonna highlight your nose. I'm gonna take this contour thing again. Oh, highlighter.
How could you check it? This is the cutest shit ever.
I don't really do mascara.
Okay, I'll just do some makeup.
Yeah.
Bitch, you're good at makeup.
Thanks.
Showing me up. I hate it.
Oh, you cannot put mascara on your lower lashes because I don't have any.
Oh, too late. I did.
You did?
Yes.
Fuck. Stop. Okay, that's enough. Too much lashes. You already don't look like me. Stop. Stop.
Well, I don't want them to be clumpy. Oh, yeah.
Fuck, I don't know how to do this. This is so fucked up. Wait.
No, putting lipstick on other people is so
Can
hard.
you block? This is my favorite thing. And then can you... And then I just take whatever's left here. And then highlight that. Set our fucking base. I'm using the fuckboy repellent that someone got me. It's her. I murder my face in this.
It smells so good.
I added the rose water into
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Because like when it falls, it leaks so much.
It really does. Mine has
Yeah.
leaked a lot. I only have a little bit left.
So I add water to it because I don't care.
Same.
I'm going to add some brow bone highlight. Yes, bitch. That's it. That's the complete Coco look on Maddie. Okay guys, so that was my makeup on Maddie. That's what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in how she gave me this look, please go to her channel.
You're probably not, but...
Like, subscribe, and comment something because we've been here forever. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Bye, bitch.